Well, hello.
Hello, Mighty Eagle.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm bird watching.
What?
Take a peek.
Oh, you're disgusting.
Oh, yeah.
Look, are you gonna help us or not?
I am helping you.
No, this is you helping. Looking through binoculars, spying on old ladies. Whoa, whoa. What is that? Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, my.
I was right. I was right. I knew it. Bob, Chuck, hurry up. Get out here.
Uh-oh.
Mighty Eagle, hey, fly us down there now.
No.
I'm sorry, what?
I don't do that anymore. I'm retired.
Mostly just tired.
Go handle it yourself. This is everything I've prepared you for.
What? Prepared us for? Well, hold on, did I miss something? Let me just go through my notes really quick. Let's see. Crazy stuff, bragging, crazy stuff, karaoke. No, see, I don't see anything useful here. The whole world, everyone we know, is in danger.
Yes, it is. So off you go.
Hey, you know what? I used to believe in you. When I was a kid, I believed nothing really bad could ever happen because you were here. And now I see the fate of the world hangs on idiots like me. And that, sir, is sort of terrifying.
It's time for you to go.
You know, it's really upsetting to me that you're the only bird that can fly, and you're too afraid to do it. Hey guys, come on, let's go. We're done here. He's no hero.
So, I'm having a party next Tuesday. Can you just do like a little pop-in?
Come on!
Come on, run faster!
Ow! Ow! Come on, come on, come on. Let's go.
I sentence you all to 4 hours of hard partying.
Oh, they're taking the eggs!
Follow him.
Oh, man. Right on time. Excellent.
Chuck, go shut that party down now.
Me? But I only know how to get parties started!
Go.
On it!
Bomb, we gotta stop him.
Yeah.
Gotta get more speed! It's check time!
Get to the ship.
Can everybody please stop partying? There are eggs being stolen! Matilda, we need your help. The pigs are stealing our eggs! What?
I'm airborne.
We have to get back to the village! Stop dancing and start running! Hors d'oeuvres, my weakness.
Come on, let's wrap it up.
We gotta get the eggs off the ship.
Yes. Everyone on board.
Use the trampolines. Can you get up there?
What the heck are they doing?
Untie the ropes, drop the eggs in the water.
Get rid of him! Get him off of there! It's too strong! I can't break it!
Bob, blow up the chain.
Knock him down!
Come on, Bob, you can do this. Come on, Bob, you got this.
Blow up! You gotta get me mad!
Okay, well then what makes you mad?
Try insulting me on a personal level!
Your poetry stinks. You're just a bad poet, and you know it.
Oh, I know!
Hey, who wants a birdie back?
Oh, I'm sorry, Red. I couldn't do it.
Don't give up.
Set sail for Piggy Island!